What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstang, and today we got a new and very exciting phone over here. And in today's video, what we are going to do is of course tell you everything you need to know about this phone before you make your purchase decision. So yes, without further ado, let us check out the OPPO Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G. Alright, so we're going to start off here with a quick unboxing, and it does come in a very nice chunky package over here. Nothing too much to talk about here, but let's just open this bad boy up. See what else we have. We have all this stuff which would give you a nice phone case and all your manual books and warranty guide, safety pin and all that. The case does come in with a nice grey look. Here we have the phone, which we are going to check out in a little bit. And here we have OPPO's Super VOOC charger over here, 100 watts. So it's able to charge up your phone from 0 all the way to 100% in just about 30 minutes, which I absolutely do like. So I'm going to put this all to the side and check out this phone. So here we have all the main key features over here. And now let's just take this one off. Alright, looks really good over here. And oh my goodness, I am not kidding you guys. It really looks and feels really nice in hand. Very, very premium look indeed. And yes, it looks really nice. Let me set up this phone and I'll get you guys in a little bit. Alright, so here we have the Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G, and what I can say is that this phone here feels very, very premium indeed. But before we go on any further, I just want to talk about the price on this phone. So here in Malaysia, it does start off at about 21.99 ringgit here in Malaysia for the 12 gigs RAM variant with 256 gigs of storage. And for this price point, I think this phone is a very solid phone. And talking about solid, let's talk about the build material over here. So it is made up of glass on the back, which feels really, really nice. To be honest, when I first got it, I thought they made a metal back over here because it really feels very good. And of course, you can see they're not going to attract a lot of fingerprints on this. And of course, if you want to slap on a case, you can do so. But I think this phone is really, really nice without a case. You do have your plastics on the side and also a nice glass on the front. You do have some curved display on the front here to give it that more premium feel. The buttons are located on one side, the power button and also the volume rockers. And of course, if we go down, we have the stereo speaker setup and also the USB-C for your super fast charging. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the viewing experience with this phone. So it does come with a nice 6.74-inch AMOLED display with, of course, your 120Hz, your 1 billion colors, and it does support your HDR10+, and it does have a peak brightness of 1400 nits. So yes, definitely expect very good displays over here, and especially for people like me here in Malaysia, the extra brightness would definitely help. And it does come with your stereo speaker setup, one on the bottom over here and also on the top. So you do have your stereo speaker setup to enjoy with that display. And also this phone does come with a very good optical scanner, so you can see that it works really, really fast. All you need to do is just point it all the way to the bottom. And if you want to use the face unlock as well, you can just point it to your face and boom, you are right in. One more time, boom, you are right in. Alright, so one of the major thing about this phone is the fact that it does have very, very good internal specs. So here it does have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and for this model it does come with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, which of course is a lot for most people. In terms of the storage, it does come with UFS 3.1, which is of course really, really fast. And in terms of the battery as well, 4700 mAh of battery, so it's able to give you a full day of battery. And like I mentioned before, if you want to charge this up, you can use the Super VOOC 100 watt charger. And of course, right off the box, this phone does come with ColorOS 13 on top of Android 13, so expect the software experience to be very similar to many other OPPO phones they've been using. It does come with a lot of customizations, a lot of tweaks here and there that you can do, but it is a very polished software as well. It's not too bogged down in terms of being too clunky or being too chunky, but you can see here there's a lot of things that you can play around with your phone. And of course, last but not least, let us talk about the cameras for this phone. So here it does come with a selfie shooter, which is located right down the center. It does come with a 32 megapixel f2.4 sensor, and it does have your autofocus, and it can record up to 1080p at 30 fps. And of course, it does come with your gyro EIS. Of course, if we switch it on to the back over here, I do like that triple camera setup. It does look really cool and really nice. And starting here with the main lens, it does come with a 50 megapixel f1.8 sensor with your dual autofocus and OIS. And we go on to the telephoto lens over here, 64 megapixel f2.5, and it does have your dual autofocus, OIS, and can go up to 3 times of optical zoom. And lastly, we have the third lens over here, 8 megapixel f2.2 sensor, and it does give you your 120 degrees view for your ultra wide shots. And for this phone here, it can record up to 4K at 60 fps. Now we're going to see the camera features on this phone. So you can see here you have your night mode, video, photo, portrait mode, and also your more. So you have your pro mode, extra HD, panorama, slow-mo, time-lapse, dual video feature for all you vloggers out there. You just have your text scanner and your stickers as well. Now let's check out some shots from this phone and see how good they look. Alright, so that is it with the Reno 10 Pro Plus, and I gotta say I'm actually very excited to test out and use this phone as my daily driver. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to know about this phone, or if you guys have any questions on this, or if you want to share your experience on this as well, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll give you my final review after I've used this phone for quite some time. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more of this type, do click the like and smash this and subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. Do follow me on my socials on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Hammerstack. I'll see you guys in the next one.